Hey everyone, welcome back to the virtual showroom. Here showing another great pre-owned vehicle, 2020 Hyundai Sonata Preferred, redesigned for the 2020. Check out this car. Boy, it is special. We've sold a ton of them new and actually quite a few pre-owned that I've been able to get my hands on. So again, let's have a quick walk around the outside. You can see the built-in spoiler on the back as part of the trunk. Very fluidic, really keeps nice lines to this car. You can see, boy, I love the rear of this car. It is an awesome looking vehicle. You've got all the black cladding on the bottom that follows through. It gives it a little bit more sporty feel, which is really nice. So you got turn signal indicators on the mirrors. You get really nice alloy wheels. Look at those spokes. Really makes the car pop. Nice big headlights. Nice beefy grille. I love the way the lines come down the vehicle. As you can see, hood's in nice shape, trunk's in nice shape, which I'll show you very soon. Roof's in nice shape. The reason we like to do these videos for transparency. Transparency is key. If someone tells you it's not, it is. So again, this is what it's all about here at Seaway Hyundai, and that's why we do these videos. I forgot the keys inside, so let me grab them really quick. All right, I'll come right back to you very shortly. I want to show the trunk really quickly. So again, we keep the mats back here, but as you can see, huge trunk. There's 60/40 split folding rear seats, so you have a little person at home needs some extra space. Fold those seats down, get that extra space. But again, for a full-size sedan, lots of space, which I'm going to show you more as we go. Nice back seats, cloth, carpets, everything's. It looks like it just came out of the factory. It's so clean. Power windows in the rear. It still smells brand new, and that's to be expected with this type of kilometers. Push button in proximity, so I just locked it. There we go. I unlocked my keys, so you just have to have the key in your purse, and your pants, your pocket, and your jacket, anywhere. As long as it's on you, you can open your doors. No more fondling for the keys. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have locking rear windows, which is a nice feature if you have kids. You got some additional speakers right at the top. You get an adjustable seat, lift it up, down, back, right, center. Any way you want to move that seat, you can do that. If we jump in, let's look at some of the other features. I'm going to just turn it on really quick. Push button start with proximity, standard. You can adjust your interior illumination. You have adaptive cruise control. Turn it down a little bit, sorry. You have a trunk release, traction control, and you have electric parking brake. On the steering wheel, you've got all your Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition. On this side, cruise control, all your cruise control. You can also adjust your adaptive cruise. You can personalize some of the settings in the vehicle to make it yours. So again, some cool features in this vehicle. Drive modes, so you can drive it in normal, custom, sport, normal, smart. So again, we encourage customers to try that out, see which best suits their needs. Really cool fluidic design for the shift, park release, park, neutral, reverse. Again, it's really nice, handy to use. You have your USB plugins down there. Temperature controls, easy and laid out. You got heated seats, 3-stage, heated steering wheel, my favorite feature, heated seats for the passenger as well. So you got some nice features, front, rear defrost, obviously air conditioning, which I'm enjoying right now. And if we move up, here's your infotainment center, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities. So plug your Apple phone in, your Android phone, have access to nav, real-time traffic reports, all those good things. Music. Hey, you're parked, want to look at your photos? You can do that. And of course, a great size backup camera. So again, lots of standard features in this vehicle. I'm going to put it back in park, sorry about that. I'll show you the cloth seats one more time. Cloth's in nice shape, dash is in nice shape. Everything is in really nice shape. This is just a really nice vehicle. Good value for the money, full-size sedan. So as we've just looked, we just did a quick walk around on the 2020 Hyundai Sonata. Whoops, I forgot the key. That's why that's telling me to put the key back in there. 2020 Hyundai Sonata Preferred Automatic. Lots of warranty. You can call, text, or email if you have any questions. As always, you can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com.